Updating you on one of our favorite stories of the week. Remember the Northport police officers who surprised 8-year-old Daniel at his birthday party? Well, Daniel has autism, and his parents said no one RSVP'd to his party. So his mom reached out to those officers because Daniel adores them, calling them his superheroes.
And the officers, so moved by this, volunteers with the department and in the community, they all decided to throw this group birthday bash for really any child in the community who has ever felt left out. When we first reported this story to you, they were just getting started. Very few plans were made at that point. We reached out to the police department. They now have a Facebook page with all the details. It's really all coming together. It will be this Sunday, July 3rd at the Dallas White Park. There will be bounce houses, cake pops, therapy dogs, farm animals, and more. Really tremendous effort there. Well, a GoFundMe page has also been set up, raising more than $600 for food and supplies for that party.
And by the way, the police department says they've received tons of letters and packages for Daniel, the boy who started it all.